Good morning, ma. So, in the previous class, what we learned? We learned about the polynomials. Okay. So, what is called a polynomial? An algebraic expression having variables only non-negative integral powers. Only non-negative integral powers having variables, that is called polynomials. Okay, children? There is no negative power. Okay, only positive powers only with variables. That is called polynomial. And next, what we learn? Degree of the polynomial. What is called degree of the polynomial, children? It is the highest degree of the term, highest degree of the variables. That is called degree of the polynomial. And next types of polynomials according to degree. See the page number 30. Types of polynomials according to degree. See here, first one, degree of a polynomial not defined. Name of the polynomial, zero polynomial. Example is 0. So for 0, 0 polynomial, there is no degree. Okay, so that is not defined. And next, degree of a polynomial is 0. And name of the polynomial, what is the name of the polynomial? Constant polynomial. For constant, there is no power. So that's why we are taking as a 0 power. Okay. So what are the examples? Minus 12, 5, 3 by 4, etc. These are constants. And next, degree of a polynomial is 1. What is the name of the polynomial? If the degree of the polynomial is 1 means, what is the name of the polynomial? Yes, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. You can write that, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. What is the degree? 1. So what is the example? X minus 12 minus 7x plus 8 ax plus b, etc. So here degree is 1. Next, second, degree of the polynomial is 2. What is the name of the polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. So the degree of the polynomial is 2 means, what is the name of the polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Here example. Can you write example, children? For quadratic polynomial, you can write as a power 2 degree. X square plus x plus 4. So here power is degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Next, degree of a polynomial is 3. Name of the polynomial is cubic polynomial. Example 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus 7. Okay. So these are called types of the polynomials according to degrees. According to degrees, types of polynomials. What are those? Tell me. Zero polynomial. Zero polynomial has degree not defined. Okay. And next, constant polynomial. What is the degree? 0. Linear polynomial. What is the degree? 1. Quadratic polynomial. What is the degree? 2. And cubic polynomial. What is the degree? 3. Okay. After that, remaining, yes, polynomials. Next, types of polynomials according to number of terms. Number of terms. See the page number 31. Number of non-zero terms. One term. What is the name of the polynomial? Monomial. There is only one term. That means monomial. Okay. Example minus 3x. What are the terms? Minus 3x. Next, name of number of non-zero terms. How many? 2. What is the name of the polynomial? Is binomial. 3x plus 5. What are the terms? 3x and 5. Next, 3 terms. Name of the polynomial is trinomial. Example 2x square plus 5x plus 1. Here what are the terms? 2x square, 5x, 1. These are the 3 terms. More than 3. What do you call more than 3? Name of the polynomial is multinomial. Okay, example. Can you write example? You can write anyone. 3x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 5. Anyone you can write. Okay. Here some terms are given now. You can write that terms only. 3x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Here some terms also is a given no. So you can use that one. Example. 3x cube plus 2x square minus 7x comma 5. So more than 3 what do you call? Multinomial. Here notice there children, a polynomial may be a multinomial but every multinomial need not be a polynomial. A polynomial may be a multinomial but every multinomial need not be a polynomial. Okay. And next a linear polynomial with one variable may be a monomial or a binomial. So a linear polynomial with one variable may be a monomial or binomial. Two terms means binomial. Only one term is that is monomial. Okay. Next. See here, if the variable in a polynomial is x, we may denote the polynomial by p of x, q of x or r of x. So for the example, we may write, see here, p of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Q of x is equal to here term. What are the variables here? 3x square. So 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here what is the variable? X is the variable. Okay. So how can you write this one? P of x. Can you write like this one? Here variable is x, so you can take P of x or Q of x. Anyone as you like. Or R of x as you like. Did you? Okay. Next, y power 4. Y power 4 minus 1. How can you write this one? P of y. Here what is the variable y now? So that's why we have to take P of y or Q of y or R of y. Anyone you should take. Okay. Next, turn the page number 32. Exercise 2.1. Put a heading all of you. Exercise 2.1. First question, right? Exercise 2.1. First question. Find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. You have to write degree of the polynomials. Already I explained what is the degree of the polynomials, children? Highest degree of the variable. Highest degree of the variable. So here first one, what is given? X power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3 is given. Okay. Now what is the degree? Given x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. So here which one is the highest degree? Highest degree. Degree means power. Highest degree is 5. So what is the degree? 5. So the degree of x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3 is 5. So here highest degree is 5. So that's why what is the degree? 5. Did you understand, ma? Next, second one. X square plus x minus 5. So here what is the degree? Which one is the highest degree? Given x square plus x minus 5. The degree of x square plus x minus 5 is, here highest degree is 2. So what is the degree? 2. Okay. Can you do like that, children? Come on, do. So here third one is constant given. 5 only. There is no variable. So it is a constant. So what is the degree, children? For constant? Now only I told. 0. So what is the degree here? 0. Degree is 0. You can write like this. I am writing only answer, but you have to write like this. Okay? Given you have to write the degree of like this. Okay? And next, what is the degree for fourth one? Which one is the highest degree? 6. So highest degree is 6. And this one, what is the degree? Yes, variable having only power 2. So degree is 2. And next, sixth one. 5t minus root 3. Here not there any power means what? 1. So what is the degree? 1. Next write the second question mark. See the second question, children. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Give reasons for your answer. So what is the first question? Here what is the question given? Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? In one variable only, not two variables. Okay. So which of that one you have to find? Okay. What is the first one? 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Is a polynomial with one variable or not, children? Yes. Why? Because here only one variable, x only. There is no another variable, only x variable is there. So it is a polynomial with one variable. Okay, right. So given 3x square minus 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable. What is the variable? X. In one variable, x. Okay, like that you can write. Second question is one variable or not? Second one, x square plus root 2. Yes, it is also one variable. Third one, p square minus 3p plus q. Here how many variables are there? Two variables, p and q. Two variables are there. So it is not it is a polynomial, but it is having two variables. Okay, like that you should write. So second one, x square plus root 2 given. So given x square plus root 2, it is a polynomial in one variable x. Next, third one, p square minus 3p plus q is given. So given p square minus 3p plus q. It is a polynomial, but it is two variables. It is a polynomial in two variables. In two variables x. What is that variables? P, q. It is a polynomial in two variables p comma q. Next, fourth one, y plus 2 by y. Y plus 2 by y. It is a polynomial, children. Why it is not a polynomial? Why it is not a polynomial? Because here 2 by y. So how can you write this one? Y power 1 by y. How can you write y power minus 1? Here power is negative. Power is negative. So that's why it is not a polynomial, children. Polynomial means the variable having only non-negative integral powers. But here negative power will come. So it is not a polynomial. So it is not a polynomial because the variable negative power. The variable has negative power, so that's why it is not a polynomial. And fifth one, find root x. Find root x plus x root 5. Is it a polynomial, children? Find root x plus x root 5. Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because here root x is there. So root x, how can you write x power 1 by 2? So it is a fraction. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. So it is not a polynomial because the variable has fraction, power as fraction. Power as fraction. So that's why it is not a polynomial. Next one, sixth one. X power 100 plus y power 100. X power 100 plus y power 100. Is it a polynomial, children? Is it a polynomial? Why? Why it is not a polynomial? Huh? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because here variables having positive powers only. No. It is a polynomial, but it has two variables. It is a polynomial, but it has two variables, not one variable. It is a polynomial in two variables x comma y. Okay, come on, right. Next, third question, see children. Write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. So you have to write the coefficient of x cube. What means coefficient means? It is a multiple of x cube. It is a multiple of x cube. So what is the first question, children, here? X cube plus x plus 1. Okay, children, x cube plus x plus 1. So you have to write the coefficient of x cube. So what is given? Given x cube plus x plus 1. The coefficient of x cube is, what is the coefficient of x cube? Here x cube is here. What is the multiple? Here not there any number means 1. 1 into x cube only now. So what is the multiple of x cube? 1. So what is the coefficient of x cube? Is 1. Next, second question. 2 minus x cube plus x square. So what is given? 2 minus x cube plus x square. The coefficient of 2 x cube is, the coefficient of x cube is, here where is the x cube? Here. Okay. So what is the multiple of x cube? Not there any number means minus 1. 1 into x cube minus x cube. So what is the coefficient? Minus 1. Okay. Next, third one. Root 2 x cube plus 5. root 2x cube plus 5 given root 2x cube plus 5. The coefficient of x cube is, what is the coefficient of x cube here, children? What is the multiple of x cube? Root 2. So what is the coefficient of x cube is? Root 2. Okay. Like that you can do remaining terms homework now. Can you do? Okay, you can do remaining terms as homework. Fourth question is 2x cube plus 5. Fifth one, 5 by 2 x cube plus x. Sixth one, minus 2 by 3 x cube. Seventh one, 2x square plus 5. Eighth one, 4. Okay. Here you observe here, for these two polynomials have no x cube coefficient. So there is no x cube variable is there. So how can you write? There is no x cube means 0 you can write. And here also 0. Okay. What is the multiple of x cube here? 5 by 2. See the fourth question, children. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So here some polynomials are given. You should write which one is linear, which one is quadratic, which one is cubic. Okay, I told already. So the degree is 1 means, what is that polynomial name? Linear polynomial. Degree is 2 means that is quadratic. Degree is 3 means what is the type of polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Like that you should write now. That is the homework, fourth question also.